we went to the Walmart, got ourselves some diapers, right? And it was raining when we came back. So here's my things, my other stuff. And I have to carry everything inside. Right, Luna?
Hi.
Friday for you. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Luna. Chicken lobster. Hello! I was making my dough. It's going to prune now for my rosca de Reyes, my three wise men. I don't know, like wreath. I don't know what it's called. Now it's pruning, so I gotta wait about an hour for it to prune, and then I'm gonna bake it. First time I'm doing it, so wish me luck. I'm gonna clean that up so I can continue finishing my thing, and I'll show you at the end how it looks. Look at that. These are going to be the fruits. This is it's guayaba paste that goes like in franks. They're supposed to be different colors, but I only found this ones, and like crystallized fruits or are like dry fruits, as well as this cherries. This is papaya and pineapple. This is apricots. These are cherries, and this is a paste that actually, if you have eaten conchas like pan dulce from Mexico, the conchas, the sugary part, that's what it is. And I'm going to put in the middle some walnuts. It's still pruning. It's coming up. I put the yeast that is fast rising, but it's not so fast rising. Luna's taking a nap right about there. I haven't turned on my tree. Today is the day for the three wise men. So that's why the Rosca de Reyes. We actually went to the store in the morning. That's why I'm doing my thing kind of late. But let me turn on my lights over here. Boop. So today is the day for them three. Yes, so they bring the presents for baby Jesus. And then after the 8th, everything gets taken down. And he got the haircut. I like it. He's also
Good.
he's also cleaning. That's why it's tired, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep. So this is what I'm putting on top of it. See how it goes. 10 more minutes to go. 10 more minutes. Well, you can see I already put the candies and I burned myself. Can you see that red little spot right there? And Christmas I burned myself like right here and like right there. I don't know if you could see it. I'm gonna use my thumb again. Like right there. I burned myself with the enchiladas, and now I burned myself over here with the thing. Like I always have to burn myself. So 10 more minutes. It's in there, and then let me see. Did I put the timer? Oh, I didn't do it. Oh my gosh! Now I think it's about 5 more minutes, I think, and then it will be done. And then let me see if I can poke you guys in it a little bit. So you can see, can you see that? Oh, yes, hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. Because, oh my gosh. And it's already 8 o'clock. Jalapenos. Eating. And yes, I still have my tree up. We'll take it down tomorrow. But that's our lazy Sunday, huh, Luna? Oh, yeah. You eat now, okay?